what's up? So in today's video, y'all, as you can tell from the title and thumbnail, I am doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing of what was inside this bag. I had to take it out because it was a little too heavy for me and it like hurt to lift it up and like hold it in the like frame for a screenshot for a thumbnail, and I was like, no, I'll just take the box out. And also I already filmed this video, you guys, and then when I went to transfer it to my computer, I accidentally deleted all the footage. So the box has already been opened, the ribbons have already been pulled, and this is the second time that I'm doing this video. So as always, my reaction probably isn't going to be as enthusiastic as it was the first time, even though it's probably going to be exciting because this is the nicest bag that I have in my collection. It's also one of the most expensive bag that I've purchased, and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. As always in this video, I will link timestamps down below that breaks up this video into what I'll be talking about and what I'm doing. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it helps me tremendously, and on this channel we need a little bit of help. Now, I knew I was going to buy a bag in the month of May because for March, the whole month of April, and then the middle of May, I didn't purchase too much. Like literally I didn't spend too much money, and I told myself I'm going to save up a little bit so I'll be able to purchase something in May or June. And so I went shopping yesterday with the intention of purchasing something. I didn't know what. I had a list of items that I would like to see, and I told myself to just have fun. Now, one of the items that I really wanted to purchase and I thought would be an amazing like addition to my collection, which is going to be, I don't know, shocking that this is what pushed me to buy the bag, sort of, but I wanted to buy this bag in the new color that Remova released. I know that this bag is so amazing, sturdy, flexible, just everything that you could imagine. I have gotten so many compliments on it. I wear it all the time. If you see me out in public, you probably see me with this bag because it's just amazing. Like I said, I've never received so many compliments on a bag. Y'all, I am sorry about the birds. They are having a frenzy outside. Oh my gosh, they're probably mad because we haven't given them any of like, we buy these little bird food balls and they have like little insects in them for them to eat, and they're very spoiled here because if they don't get the ones with the insects, they will leave like the plain ones. They won't eat it. They like nibble at it and they just wait for us to put the insect ones out, but they like literally chirp at us. And then when we come out to put like stuff in the bird feeder, they're like peep, 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 and I'm like, oh my gosh. So if you hear a bunch of birds in the background, I'm sorry. But what was I saying? Tried it out in store. It was beautiful, pink, amazing, but nobody had it in stock. So then I was like, you know what? It's not meant to be. Go look at other stores. So I went to like My Teresa. We have a My Teresa store here. I went to like YSL, Gucci, everything that is luxury. I went to looking for something to buy. And so then I just decided to go to my true and trusted store of Louis Vuitton. And I actually had a few bags that I wanted to see just to try them out. And it was the On The Go PM. Still searching all over for this bag. Cannot find it. I can order it and they can order it for me and it'll arrive in 4 weeks, but I don't want that. I wanted to see the Lock Me or Love Me bag in the black and white leather combination. And there was another little bag that I wanted to see. And so when we went to Louis Vuitton, I saw a bag in the display and I was like, and so of course, like I said, no On The Go. They had the Lock Me in the grayish color, which wasn't what I wanted, but being able to see the bag, which it's a very roomy bag, but it just looks a little plain in my opinion. And I wanted something with a little pizzazz. And so I told the sales associate, just humor me. And can I please see the bag in the display? And he was like, yeah, sure. And so he went to go get that bag, but also all of the other bags in that family for me to see. And I was probably there for almost 2 hours, 1.5, I would say, hours of just trying on these bags. And one of them is what is in this box here. And so like I said, I already opened it. This is the second time of me doing this video, and it's not as pretty, like beautifully packed, but it was packed with love. And I got, you know, some cute things that came with the bag. And so the first thing I got was my book. I love these, you guys. It's just nice to have them as a little collection. I have a few that I think whenever, you know, I have a home, I have my own home. You guys are probably wondering, I'm in my apartment right now, but I want to own a home. And when I own my own home, I want this to be on a bookshelf. I want this to be on a coffee table somewhere. And then I got, let me think. I think stuff, oh my gosh, a lot of stuff fell on the floor, you guys. I got some free perfume samples as always. There's a bunch in here. I give these away sometimes, or I use them and I put them in my purse. I have so many. Usually if I'm giving someone like a little gift card, I tape a little Louis Vuitton free sample to it. No one has complained yet. Some people say that it's tacky and it's cheap, but I don't care, because at the end of the day, I have yet to get a complaint from anybody personally. But one time I said that on the internet and someone was like, that is so tacky. And I was like, okay, girl, you don't have to worry. You don't got to worry about getting a gift card with a free sample of Louis Vuitton perfume from me. You're not my friend. And then the other thing that I got as like a gift with purchase was this little, it came in a little box, you guys, and a little dust bag too, is this sample of Louis Vuitton perfume, or is this yeah, it is perfume. And I will put what type it is, the scent, on the screen so you guys can see, because we all know I can't pronounce these names. And then the box. And I still haven't told you what bag it is. I still haven't told you what color it is. I still haven't told you anything about it, but with the box you'll be able to tell. And because it's a little different than your everyday Louis Vuitton box, with this box you guys sort of should know what it is. And then you open it. And also with the dust bag, you should know what it is, because it comes in a drawstring dust bag. And only particular bags from Louis Vuitton come in this type of dust bag. I actually think you can ask for a drawstring dust bag for any bag that you purchase. I think it's up to the discretion of the sales associate and I guess the stock and inventory that they have, if they have it and want to give it to you, but I'm pretty sure they're not exclusively for one particular item. And so I got the Louis Vuitton Capucines in the BB size in, well, if I could get it out, hold on one second, you guys, it's taking me a while, in this turquoise, teal, topaz, is that what it's called? I think it might be the German word, leather. I lost my train of thought there for a second, with the iridescent hardware, which you can't really see, I think, in the video or in the camera. You probably don't see it. It's probably not that colorful, but in person, it looks like a little unicorn. It looks like a little rainbow. It looks like sorbet. It looks like ice cream. It just looks beautiful. And also the bag color looks a little different on camera than it does in real life. And y'all, I am so happy about this bag. And I know I'm probably a little subdued with my reaction, but I just think it is so freaking beautiful. When I tell you, like, she needs no introduction because she is flawless, wonderful, and I love her. And I'm so happy. When I put her in my closet next to my other bags, it was just like a level above. This baby right here was the star of the show, and I am not against it. Let me show you the strap, because that's also one of the reasons why I purchased this bag instead of other ones. And the strap is this intertwined metal with the blue leather. And the hardware, like I said, is iridescent. The leather is the same color blue, and I like this little chain strap element, and it's also adjustable. It only has 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it actually has 5 holes in it. I thought it only had 3. And so you do have a little bit of customizability with the strap length when it comes to wearing the bag crossbody or dropping on your shoulder. The strap was one of the reasons why I purchased the bag. There were a lot of factors that went into me purchasing this bag and this color and this size, and that's what I'm going to talk about right now in the video. And so, like I stated, the man the sales associate let me try on every single Capucines that I wanted, that they had in store. I mean, is he gonna bring out, I don't think they have them in store. Maybe they do in certain, I mean, actually they do, because when I went to Dubai, they had some crocodile stuff on display. But was he gonna probably bring out like a croc capucines for me? No. I believe this is the bag that Zendaya, I hope that's her name. I always get it confused with Zendaya or Zendaya. For me, when they released this, I thought it was very beautiful. I saw the bag and I was like, I love that bag. But I wasn't paying attention and I didn't really look into it regarding when it would be released because I always miss releases. I always miss dates, and then I'm always let down that I don't get a bag that I want because I was too slow. This happened to me in February or March, I believe. I went into the store and they had a Capucines mini yellow one with a particular chain strap, and it was really cute and cool, and I liked it so much, but I did not purchase it. I was like, just wait and be patient, and when you come back in May, see if it's still there, because no one's gonna buy the bag. Came back, you guys, sold out, nowhere to be found, couldn't find it anywhere, and I was like, And so that's my experience with like trying to buy something that is a special color, a special collection, or a new release. I always miss out. And so when I saw this, I liked it, but I didn't like put too much like thought into it. And also I was reading the comments and people were so harsh. People were like, it's an ugly collection, it's an ugly bag, it's an ugly color, oh my gosh, it's tacky, it's all of these things. And I was like, am I the only person that likes this? Am I the only person that enjoys this collection and finds it to be beautiful? And so when I saw it in the store, I technically did not know it was the bag that she was advertising because it looks a little different in person than it does, like I said, in camera. But when I saw it and like it came to me and it was brought to me and I got to inspect it closer, I realized that it was the same bag and I was like, oh. And so this is the bag, you guys. I'm trying to think if there's anything I left out in this video. If there is, like I said, I will make a whole video about this bag, going into the review, going over the price, pros, cons, everything that I can think of, what fits inside of it, what it fits like on me. But I think there was a light bulb that went on in my head when I was in the Louis Vuitton store and just shopping in general, where I said, I need to stop making these tiny purchases and accumulating like an overabundance of things and start buying just like one thing that equates to so much more happiness. Not to say I'm not happy with the bags that I have, because I love them all. I think I love everything that I've purchased. There might have been like one or two tiny regretful purchases that I've made, but generally speaking, I'm happy with everything that I own. But I realize I tend to make, let's say, 4 small purchases that could equate to this one bag, instead of just buying one of these bags every couple of months and being very happy with that purchase, because this brought me so much more joy than anything else I've ever purchased. I'm trying to, maybe not everything that I've ever purchased, but it has brought me so much joy. And I just think that everything that this bag is beautiful and worth every penny to me. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go put her back in the closet now. I love her. I'm so happy. I hope to take pictures with her, videos of her very soon, and have a complete review of her up on my channel. We have to think of a name for her though, because I think a bag that is this price, this color, this beautiful, and this amazing deserves a name. And so with all that being said, thank you so much for watching. I love y'all, and bye.